Dear students, today we have to read the third poem of our main book, Hornbill. The name of the poem is The Voice of the Rain. This poem has been composed by Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman was one of America's most influential poets. He was born on 31st May 1819, West Hills, New York, United States. He passed away on 26 March 1892, Camden, New Jersey, United States. The poems, the famous poems that he has composed are Leaves of Grass, Song of Myself, O Captain, My Captain. He has been given the awards Golden Kite Award for picture book illustration. He was the second of 9 children and was immediately nicknamed Walt to distinguish him from his father. At 11, Walt Whitman was taken out of school by his father to help out with household income. He started to work as an office boy for a Brooklyn based attorney team and eventually found employment in the printing business. In 1836, at the age of 17, he began his career as a teacher in the one-room schoolhouses of Long Island. He continued to teach until 1841 when turned to journalism as a full-time career. At the outbreak of the Civil War, Whitman vowed to live a cleansed life. He worked as a freelance journalist and visited the wounded at New York City area hospitals. He then traveled to Washington, D.C. in December 1862 to care for his brother who had been wounded in the war. Overcome by the suffering of the many wounded in Washington, Whitman decided to stay and work in the hospitals and stayed in the city for 11 years. Whitman struggled to support himself throughout most of his life. In Washington, he lived on a clerk's salary and modest royalties. But in 1873, his life took a dramatic turn for the worse. In January of that year, he suffered a stroke that left him partially paralyzed. In May, he traveled to Camden, New Jersey to see his ailing mother, who died just 3 days after his arrival. Whitman found it impossible to continue with his job in Washington and relocated to Camden to live with his brother George and sister-in-law Law. On March 26, 1892, Walt Whitman passed away in Camden. Now, let us come to the introduction of the poem. Let us come to know about the poem. The poem, The Voice of the Rain, which had been composed by Walt Whitman, is an imaginary dialogue between the poet and the rain. The poet casually asks the rain who it is. To his surprise, the rain answers the question and tells about its birth and end. The poet understands the tale of rain and translates it for the readers. The central idea of the poem is that the voice of the rain by Walt Whitman signifies the eternal role that the rain plays in nurturing, quenching, and purifying the various elements of the earth. The rain returns the favor to its place of origin from where it rises, unseen from the depths of the water and from the land. The rain itself is explaining to the reader about its origin, work, and its cyclic movement. A comparison has also been drawn between rain and music, as both of them make the world more lively and return to their place of origin after fulfilling their purpose. Dear students, now we shall read the poem. The poem will be read in the next video. Thank you.